Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Royal Match. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of Royal Match and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn on your airplane mode and we'll turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.